Alright, welcome everyone to day 2 of the Mandalorian helmet build. Got the, the top and it's the mullet right now. 2 more bags to go. Should be, so far I'm pleased with it. I don't know if I expect it to be this size. I guess I was in that brickheads mentality, so I was thinking it was going to be smaller than this, but I'm glad this is a good size for detail and showing everything off. And, without any further ado, let's break it open and null it out and get going again. Quick interruption, my Nolan. First time I've ever actually seen this on a Lego set. They left some focus on it. They left I've never seen one that wasn't cleaned up on the edges like that. It's sort of obviously they just that one slipped by, but that's I don't know if it's rare or not. I haven't done enough Lego sets over the years, but I don't think I've ever seen one make it out of the factory without getting all the shaving off. But that's I thought it was interesting, maybe a little bit silly. all we got left is his face, it looks like. It's looking good to me. I didn't realize they had this much of an angle on the side of his helm, but I think once you get the face on, it won't be as obvious. I would say it's probably going to be some more obstruction there, so it's not blatantly seeing that. It may not even show it. You can see where it kicks out here. It's not flush. Well, that's about all I can say about that. Got his ears on. Let's reset and get going again. Alright. Alright, that finishes up a little. Okay. I knocked his face loose when I fixed that last little goof up. Okay, yeah, that's a little more stable now. Still got some wobble on it, which is to be expected. And that did, I was worried about that angle there, and it's pretty well obscured, a little more visible from the back, but I think that's probably okay. It's a good looking set. I'm pleased with it. As I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy, but that's cool. I mean, it's quality, right? Looks good. The silver accents, I think, really work. Let me turn off this light, see if I can get sort of. I don't know why it's having trouble. I guess that glare's making off the lights is making it hard to focus on it. Like I said, it's a good looking set. It's stout. It's a good size. A little more expensive than I usually like to do for these builds, but like I say, I'm trying to take, selfishly taking advantage of the new season coming out. I guess this week by the time this shows up, the day after tomorrow. I like how they, the best the curve they can do with Lego blocks and that sort of. And well, do a quick unboxing of the LED set today and see what I've got myself into. It didn't come wrapped or nothing. It was just. Let's see how bad or good this is. Okay. That looks very similar to the instruction I got before. Yep, go to the website and punch in the code. So that's, I was expecting that. Oh my god, I'm getting down to the. Is that the power supply? I thought it was USB. No, it was not. It's battery powered. Okay. Triple A's it looks like. Yeah. Okay. For some reason I guess I was just thinking about that other one. It was USB for the Razor Crest. Okay, it's got a USB hookup too, so maybe either or. Cool. Because I've got power banks out the wazoo. I think that one. Okay, that's just the tape. Thought there was supposed to be hub, light. Action control module. I think this must be the electronic eye that turns it on and off. Alright. Doesn't look, like I say, there's not near as much stuff to do in this one. So I'm hoping it goes much smoother than the Razor Crest did. Don't have to do as much disassembly and reassembly on it. But I also noticed there's no. The Razor Crest had like extra blocks it came with to replace. These are all strictly the connecting cable, high brightness light, expansion board. Okay, yeah. So it is going to fit in on this thing as it sits somehow. All right. Okay. That being said, let's wrap this one up. See if I can get it to focus before I close out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.